Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable streamer mode on Discord. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Streamer mode on Discord is a specialized feature designed to enhance the streaming experience for content creators. When enabled, streamer mode works to protect the privacy of streamer by automatically concealing sensitive information such as personal account details, server invites, and private messages. So what if you want to enable this feature? It's very simple. So first we have to open our Discord. You can open on your mobile phone, laptop, or your PC. Here's I'm using my laptop. Now you can go to user settings by click on the gear icon in here. In here you can just scroll down and on the app settings section you'll find there is an option streamer mode. You can just click on that and you can see there is an option to enable streamer mode. You can just click on the toggle to enable. So now you have enabled the streamer mode on your Discord. It's very simple, right? Additionally, it optimized the Discord interface to minimize interruptions and distractions during live broadcasts, ensuring a smoother streaming experience. Streamer mode is a valuable tool for streamers who want to maintain their privacy and focus on engaging with their audience without worrying about inadvertently sharing sensitive information. Here, you can custom the settings. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable the streamer mode on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!